Also guys, in this particular video, I'm going to show you a website you can use to generate Grok videos for free. And for this particular tutorial, I'm going to be creating an image, and from that, on that same website, I'm going to now convert the image into the video. So I'm going to show you how to go about it. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. But before then, I wanted to, the next video you're going to be seeing now is going to be what we are going to be creating in this video.
Police, stop right there. You'll never catch me. He's heading for the thicket. Don't let him escape. Release the dog. Get him. Get it off. Down. Hands behind your back. Suspect secured. Good boy.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. Alright guys, this is the website we are going to be using. I created a video on this particular website before and I noticed something, that's why I'm creating this particular video. Now on this particular website, you're going to be given 200 that they want to sign in into a free account, and also you'll be given free daily 60 credits every day you come to sign into this particular website. Now what I'm going to quickly just do is to show you how to go out. You can see I've created a video using this before now. So now let me just show you what I'm going to. So first of all, you can create your images on this website. You can also generate videos. So now let me first of all go to what we are going to be doing. Let me quickly just show you something. Now I'm going on this side. You can, if you want to bring in your picture, you can just click here and bring in your picture. But now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to create my let me say I'll come here on this side. I'm going to use Nano Banana 2. Let me try to create a picture. So now I'm going to be using free creation on this. I'm going to just leave it as free creation, then Nano Banana 2. Then on this side, let me say on this size, I'm going to make it to be this, and you can select whether you want it 4K or 2K, so it's your choice, but I'm going to leave it as 4K. Now I'm going to paste in my prompt. I see I've pasted in my prompt. So once my prompt is ready, I'm going to now click on this. See, it's going to cost me about 11 this to generate this particular. If I should select, let me say for example I select 4K, it's going to cost me 20 credits. So now I'm going to reduce it to, I'm making use of 2K. So I'm going to now click on generate. So once you do that, you can see it's going to start generating your images for you. So I'm going to wait. It's going to take you here. You can see brought in the instruction I gave it, and it's going to start generating my video for me, my images for now. Now guys, you can see it has finished generating my image. You can see this is the image it generated for us. Now if you want to modify the image, you can just click on I want to modify what. I think let me just first of all see what it generated. You can see this is what it generated for me. If you're okay with it, you can just right click and save as, then just save the image. So I'm going to, you can see my image has been downloaded. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to just close this. As I said, if you want to modify, you can just click here and modify the image. So now what I'm going to now do, I'll click on this particular image. Now I want to go ahead to re-edit this image. Now I'm going to go ahead to, on this particular image, you can see now I'm going to come here and change this. Now I'm going to be bring in my image, then bring it in. I'm going to now on this side I'll remove. Okay, I'm going to, okay, the prompt is still there, so it's the same prompt I want to use. So I'm going to just remove this. Great. Now I'm going to now from there, my image has finished loading. Now you can see this is the image is now here. So now my prompt is ready. So now what I can now do, you can see from here I can click here, then switch from image. Now I'm going to go to video and make use of my Grok. So now from here I can now click here, and under the style you can click here to I'm going to leave the style the way it is. Now remember we are using free. From initially I selected free edit. Now let me do something. Now I'm opening. So okay, it has opened on a new tab. So what I'm going, you can see this one now. You can see if I wanted to, remember the last one I did, one I did initially, if you paste in your prompt, it refuses to paste, that I have to now type the prompt manually. Now here is, let me show you how to go about it. If you are doing it on this, let's say on this side, and you ensure under, okay, sorry, under the, let's say, okay, let me even do something else. Let's say I bring in this image and it's loading, and under the skills, make sure you select free create edit. If you select free edit, you'll be able to do was. So once you're on free edit, I can paste in my prompt here. Do you get me now? Because I'm on free edit. Now that is the no, but if unless I'm on this other one, okay. Let me say now, if I now so you can see by the time if I try pasting, it's going to give me this. If what I'm going to do, I'm not going to convert to text, I will just do paste directly. So you can see once you are free on this side, you can do that. You'll be able to do that once you're on free business. So that's why what I just wanted to show you. And always ensure if you want to do it, select free creation so that it will allow you to paste in your listing. So I'm going to go back here. Now what I'm going to now do, you can see my style. I'm going to leave, since my style is already set, so I'm going to leave this. Now under here, asset, I'm not going to you make use of any assets here. So now going to now under the camera movement, you might decide to select which camera movement you want. Is it something like this you want? Is it so? It's your choice. It's your choice the how you want it to go. I'm going to just leave the camera movement. Then on this side, you can select your aspect ratio. I'm going to be making use of this. You can see on 720p is going to give us 40 credits. Then on 480p, we are going to be spending 20 credits. So I'm going to just trying to show you all this. Now let's say I want to use the 780p, 720p. Now I'm going to now on the length of the video, let's say I want to use 8 and 10 seconds. You can see it's going to cost me 80 credits. Remember, currently I have 209 credits. I've used this account to do some jobs and also generate some video and also images. So now, if remember this is 10 seconds. Now let's say, okay, let me just say I want to push it down to 15 seconds. I want to push it down to 15 seconds to use the full this thing, but now it's going to cost me 120 credits. But I don't want to spend this 120 credits so that I don't exhaust much of my distance. So I'm going to, since it's going to be, this is just for a tutorial sake, I'm going to select 480p so that it just generate for me using 480p for me. Now after doing that, I'm going to now click on generate. So I'll now wait for it to finish generating my video for me. All right, guys, you can see it has finished generating my video. You can see this is what it generated. To download it, you can just right click on it and click on download. Then you're going to see it here. Now if you want to download the HD, it's going to cost you additional like 1 credit for every 2 seconds, but I'm going to just download it straight. So let me just click on download video, and you can see. So you can see my video has been downloaded. So you guys, you can see this is just the easy process how I have been able to generate my image. Then from the image I converted it to video. So I'll be now I want you to try it out and let me know your take in the comment section. And please let me just sound this. This is a new website, and you just need to try this out, this feature, as the website is still new. I can't really say if probably in the next 1 week or 1 month when you come to view this particular video, if this particular site might still be free again. So guys, I want you to just ensure you try it out right now that it's still working. So the next video you'll be going to be seeing is the one we just generated.
Police! Stop right there! You'll never catch me! He's heading for the thicket! Don't let him escape! Release the dog! Get him! Get it off! Down! Hands behind your back! Suspect secured. Good boy.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.